Hello and welcome to All Things Nitty's Crochet channel. This week's stitch is the woven post stitch. It is a beautiful and really quick 2-row repeat. You will need the correct hook that's recommended for your yarn. So I'm using some Surdurst Snuggly Crofters in the shade Benji, and I will be using a 4mm crochet hook. Okay, I'll let you see this pattern really close. It's really pretty and it leaves you with these lovely ridges. So this is the back side. It's okay, but it is really it's not really reversible, so you could use this for blankets, pillow covers, those kinds of things. Okay, so we will begin with a chain of 2 plus 3. So I will be starting with 23. Okay, so once you have your chain of 2 plus 3, we're going to begin in the 4th chain from our hook. So count back 4. 1, 2, 3, and in this 4th stitch here, we're going to work a US double crochet. So yarn over, go into the stitch, yarn over, pull through, you have 3 loops, yarn over, pull through 2, then yarn over, pull through 2 again. The next stitch and the rest of this foundation row is just a full row of US double crochet. Yarn over, go into the stitch and pull through a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And I'll show you it one more time. Go into the stitch and pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So continue doing double crochet all across that row, including the last stitch, and we'll move on to our pattern row. Okay, so you finished your foundation row of double crochet. To move on to pattern row 1, we're going to chain 1 and turn our work. Now, this pattern, both pattern rows start and end with a double crochet through the stitch. So into this very first stitch here, we're going to work a double crochet. So yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Now, we're going to begin working our front post. So this post we have a stitch in, so we move across to this next one, and to do this woven post, yarn over, go behind that post like so, yarn over and pull a loop under that post. You now have 3 loops. Yarn over, pull through 1, just 1. Okay? Now we're going to go behind the post again, but this time we're not going to yarn over. So straight behind that post, pull a loop underneath it again. You have 4 loops on your hook. You're going to yarn over and pull through 1. We have 4 loops again. We're going to yarn over, pull through 3, then yarn over, pull through 2. And that's the pattern that we're going to be repeating. So into the next stitch, we work a double crochet. So into this stitch, not the post, and then we're going to move on and do our woven post again. So yarn over, go behind the post, like so, yarn over and pull a loop through. You have 3 loops. Yarn over, pull through 1. Now go behind the post again, don't yarn over. So go behind the post, pull up a loop, we have 4 loops. Yarn over, pull through 1, we still have 4 loops. Yarn over, pull through 3, yarn over, pull through 2. Double crochet in the next. So we've worked this post here, we move on to the next, yarn over, behind the post, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 1, back behind the post, pull through it, yarn over, pull through 1, so it's through 1, yarn over through 3, then 2, so 1, 1, 3, 2. I'll show you it one more time and then you can hopefully finish this row. Okay, around the next post, yarn over, go behind the post, pull through a loop, yarn over, pull through 1, so 1, go behind the post again and pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 3, then yarn over, pull through 2. Work a double crochet, then a woven post, double crochet, woven post. Keep doing that all the way across until you have 2 posts and a chain remaining. So stop here and we'll finish the first pattern row together. Okay, so you have 2 posts and your chain remaining. I've just worked a woven post, so the next stitch is a double crochet. Now we have 1 post left and the chain. The chain was made when we begun our work in the 4th chain, so that's the 1, 2, 3 that was left over. So we've worked a double crochet here. We have to work a woven post next. So pull through 1 behind the post, pull through 1, pull through 3, and then pull through 2. Now into this chain we're going to count from the bottom up. So 1, 2, and that's the 3rd one at the top. Okay, into that very top chain here we're going to work a double crochet. So into the very top, and you're going to make sure you have your V on the stitch before completing it. So work a double crochet. Okay, you're going to chain 1, turn your work, and now we're going to begin pattern row 2. Like I says, both rows start and end with just a double crochet. So in that first stitch here, you're going to work a double crochet. Now this row, we're going to work a full row of front post double crochet, just doubles. Okay, so here's our first post that we worked, our double crochet above. Here's the next post. Now the woven post is slightly thicker than the next stitch, but it's just the same process. So yarn over, go behind that post, yarn over and pull through, then yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Here's our next post. Repeat, front post, double crochet. So pull through 2, then through 2. Again, we've come to the woven post, it's slightly thicker. We're still going to go behind the post and work a front post, double crochet. Repeat that all the way across. Stop when you've got this last chain, and I'll show you where we place our double crochet to end. So front post, double crochet the whole row. Okay, so we're ready to end pattern row 2. Now this row we don't have a chain 3 like we did the first time, but what we do have is a chain 1, and then we work a double crochet. So into this, the very top of this double crochet is a long stitch here. You're going to make sure you're in the stitch and not under it, and work a double crochet. So right through the top of that stitch, work a double crochet. We'll redo pattern row 1, so chain 1, turn your work, and now you can see that you have this lovely ridge working right across the work. Sorry, my tigger's deciding to go a little crazy. My cat in the background, sorry. We're going to begin in this very first stitch with a double crochet. Working around the next post, we're going to work our woven post. So go behind the post, pull through a loop, yarn over, pull through 1, again behind the loop, yarn over, pull through 1, then pull through 3, pull through 2. Working into the top of the stitch, we're going to work a double crochet. The next post is here. We're going to work the woven post. So yarn over, go behind the post, pull through a loop, yarn over, pull through 1, go right behind the post again, don't yarn over, and pull through 1, then pull through 3, pull through 2. Into the top of this chain here, work your double crochet. So keep repeating that across the row, working your woven post, then a double crochet, woven post, double crochet, all the way across, and stop here, and I'll just show you how to end the row. Okay, so it's the same as pattern row 2. The way you end this row, we don't have a chain 3, we have the chain 1 and the double crochet. So we're going to work our last double crochet into the very top chain there and complete your double crochet. And then you would chain 1, turn your work a double crochet in that top chain, and then repeat the row with front post double crochet the whole way across, a double crochet around each post all the way to the end, and you would end with a double crochet right through, right through. So there's your chain 1 and a double. You would finish with a double crochet in that top chain, and then you would repeat the woven post row and I'll just, 1 second. So that was the woven post stitch. As always, links to this lovely yarn and these hooks that I use. I have arthritis and these are perfect for me. Just a small update. My partner he's still in hospital, still in the high dependency, but hopefully moving up to a ward soon to begin the recovery of his lungs and things. So yeah, thank you for joining me this week, and I hope to see you next week. Bye now.